Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody had a good, safe holiday and Happy New Year. I'm back. A person who had helped out, and I really didn't want credit for it, but he took it upon himself to show a gesture of thank you for working with him and answering a lot of his questions and so on and so forth. And Gene, dude, man, really pretty cool of you, man. That's all I gotta say. Wait, let me just get what he did. Hold on. Ow. I received just before Christmas this. And this. I'll talk about this in a minute. This was a thank you for helping Mr. Gene at Punkins, P-U-N-K-I-N-S Garage and Paint. Sorry, I can't pronounce it right. I'm a retard. This is off of his wife's wrecked 3rd gen F-body. Made a clock out of it. You can see a little bit of like a love mark from, I guess, what was left of that wheel. This is really cool. I gotta say that this is really cool. This is better than anything else that YouTube can give you with the plaques and all the other bullshit. Stuff like this from viewers and the car community and all just makes it like really nice. And this is why I do what I do. It's not for fame or glory or anything. It's to be a part of the car community, to teach, to help out, and to make new friends. Bro, thank you very much. Okay, nothing. This is gonna be hung up in the garage. Sorry. I love the idea of being on a shelf someplace or where it is, but this I think deserves to be in the garage with the 2 F bodies hung up someplace. So once I figure out a place to put this, I'll show you, Gene, and I'll make a video about it. But bro, thank you so much again. Thank you.